This area is home to Optima's state-of-the-art powder coat line, coating over 1,100 pieces per day. A relatively quick process compared to other coating methods, a full cycle is completed in less than 90 minutes. The technology has opened the door to a whole range of powder coating solutions, meaning they can now offer a great selection of bespoke textured and coloured finishes.
The beauty with powder coating is that we get a consistent finish across a range of profiles, a range of shapes, a range of materials. We can powder coat in excess of 1,000 pieces a day over 6 different colours. But as Optima do bespoke, we have an extensive range of colours from standard rails to metallics to textured. So we set up regularly depending on customer need and customer demand. For us, consistency and quality is key. That's why we choose powder coating over the various types of other finishing that are available across the manufacturing facility.